everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about hair products. It is the new hair recipe shampoo, conditioner, and also one of the moisture hair food masks. Basically, I have received this probably about a month or two ago, but because I was in the midst of moving, I kind of did tell them that I might need a little bit longer before I can actually post up this video. It came just before I moved and I thought this was perfect to be tried in the new house. I think I couldn't wait, so I ended up just trying out in the old house and then brought over to the new house as well. So yeah, that's the story of this shampoo. They sent me actually 3 sets. I don't know if this is their full set, but you can actually go and check it out yourself. I'm sure it's already out there. I think I've already seen them in like Guardian or Watsons or something like that. I'm not quite sure. I don't know if they're exclusively available in certain pharmacies, but I believe I've actually seen them in stores already. So you can actually go and check them out. But if I have more information, as always, I will always link it in the description box below. This is the Kiwi and Fig shampoo and conditioner. This one is more of like a volumizing kind of shampoo. It says to give you more energetic and bouncy volume kind of hair. Okay, all of this shampoo, I have to tell you first, it smells so good. It really reminds me a lot of Herbal Essence. The one that I've actually opened up and tried is the Kiwi and Fig one. I really love that scent, and the reason why I opened up this one is also because this one smells super similar to the Herbal Essence pomegranate one that I have tried previously and I've actually used previously. But I'll tell you how I feel about the shampoo after this and how I feel about the shampoo and conditioner after this. Let me just introduce you to the other scent first. They also have the apple and ginger, or they sent me the apple and ginger one as well, which is a red color one. I think they look gorgeous packaging wise. They looks amazing, and this one smells so good as well. This one, apple and ginger one, is meant for like damage repair kind of treatment. It has like deep hydration to moisturize your hair. Maybe the next one I might want to try this out. So if you buy the set, right, they both smells exactly alike. It's just that one is a shampoo and one is a conditioner basically. I mean, I can't really decide which is my favorite because they all really smell so good. It's just that I've decided on the Kiwi and Fig one because it was the closest to the previous Herbal Essence one that smells closest to that, and I love that scent. Yeah, I think that's just my preferred kind of scent. I don't think it's just because it smells similar to that. It's probably just my preferred kind of scent. This smells so good too. This really smells more like apple than ginger. It doesn't have much ginger scent. The scent of ginger is pretty much almost non-existent, but it smells so much like when you cut into an apple, the sweet kind of red apple. It has to be a red apple, okay, not green apple. But it really smells so much like a sweet red apple. It smells so good. And then the last one actually comes with 3 products. The extra one is the mask. But let me show you the honey and apricot set. This one is the shampoo and conditioner. And this one is meant to be more of like a moisturizing kind of shampoo. I guess this one's supposed to help you to make your hair look a little bit more shiny than normal. So it's supposed to give you that very healthy looking kind of hair like the commercials most of the time. Let me smell this one for you guys. Honey and apricot. I think it will smell more like apricot. I don't know. I don't know how does it smell. It smells good. It smells really extremely good. It doesn't smell superbly like honey. But I don't really know how apricots smell also, because in Malaysia generally we don't eat, I don't know, maybe it's just in my family, we don't really eat apricots in general. So I don't know how does apricot smell to begin with. It smells sweet and very fruity basically. It smells so fruity. So if you like that kind of shampoo that really makes your hair smell so good, I have to say these are the kind of shampoo that will actually linger on your hair. The smell basically, sorry, not the shampoo, the smell of these shampoo and conditioner will really linger on your hair for many days. I'm not kidding. I'm not done yet. The honey apricot also has the mask, as I mentioned. I've actually not tried this mask yet. I don't know why. Actually, I should have, right? But it should smell exactly like, yeah, it smells exactly like the honey and apricot one. Maybe that's why it's in the same line. And I believe this is also to really make your hair look even shinier than it's supposed to be. Let me tell you my experience of trying out the Kiwi and Fig one. This one is It's actually quite a big tub. This is 300, not 300, this is 530 grams of products in each of this bottle. So one bottle is 530 ml. 8 grams? What did I say grams here? Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no, because this is grams. Why is this grams? Isn't this ml? The conditioner is written grams here and this one is written ml. Okay, anyway, they are 530 ml and grams for each bottle. Okay, for the foot mask, this one is 180 grams, okay, in this little tube. This is supposed to be like a Japanese kind of thing, but seriously, I don't know how Japanese this is, even though they have like a lot of like Japanese wood here and stuff like that. It's like a hair, I don't know, they're trying to say that they make it themselves. That's why it's called hair recipe lah, okay? It's like they make it themselves at home and stuff like that. But well, it's just commercialized, okay? It's just commercial. Don't believe in that. Kiwi and fig volume recipe. It's power food inspired ingredients for hair that is fresh and full of energy. Infused with fig, our special volume recipe gently cleanse the scalp and leave your hair with vitality and resilience. My experience of using this is that this shampoo specifically is a little bit dry. It reminds me, as I mentioned earlier on, it reminds me a lot of the Herbal Essence one, and personally I love the smell of the Herbal Essence one, but the shampoo, man, it's also pretty drying. Even Dexter, a guy who uses Herbal Essence quite a bit back then, he also realizes that the shampoo is actually pretty drying. So that's why he kind of just stopped using it after a while, because he feels that it's just a little bit too drying for his hair. But it smells good though. He loved the scent too. We love the scent, no doubt about that. But this one, after we try this out, I think personally, I feel that, I'm a little bit more sensitive towards like drier shampoos or anything that is drier, because I do have dry skin, so my hair also just needs something more moisturizing. Maybe I need to use either the moisture treatment one or the damage repair shampoo one to see if it helps better. But for now, the kiwi and fig one is a little bit dry for my hair. I just don't think I can use the shampoo, so I just stopped using the shampoo. But Dexter, my husband, actually tried it out, and he does say that this shampoo smells amazing, and also it's a little bit less drying than the Herbal Essence one, just slightly. It is still pretty drying, I have to say. Maybe for girls, right, I do think that it's just a little bit too drying. Or you are just more of on a drier side in general. Your skin is a bit drier, your hair also a little bit drier. If you need something a little bit more moisturizing, then this is probably not for you. But if you are generally pretty okay and you don't really have too much of a dry issue, your skin is pretty much more normal, this is probably fine for you, because I would understand, because this is kind of state that it's for more like an energetic, bouncy kind of volume. So I guess probably more of a fresh feeling rather than a moisture kind of shampoo. So I might have just used the wrong shampoo. Personally, that's what I think. Definitely, I might want to open up either one or the other one to see if it helps better. Hi guys, alright, I just want to give you a quick update before I actually edit this video. I've actually tried out the honey and apricot variant. Haven't tried out the mask yet, but so far I've tried this set shampoo. This is the honey and apricot moisture shampoo. I believe this is like the most nourishing and the most moisturizing one among all the 3 variants, and I was right, I guess. This one, after using this, it was definitely way more moisturizing as compared to the green one. This one felt a little bit drying for my hair, but I can use this honey and apricot variant because it doesn't feel like it's stripping off anything. It doesn't feel like the super fresh kind of feeling. It cleans not bad. It's a pretty good like shampoo that doesn't leave your hair feeling dry after using it, but still feel clean enough. Yeah, so this one is definitely way more moisturizing as compared to the volumizing one, as compared to the kiwi and fig one. So I would like to think that maybe the red one, the apple one, is probably somewhere in between the honey and apricot one and the kiwi and fig one. Yeah, I was right, I guess. I was using the wrong shampoo all along, because previously the reason why I tried this out, it was based on the smell. So I would say that if there's any tip that I can give you, is just don't buy it based on the smell, buy based on what you need, okay? They all smell equally good, it's just that they do have a little bit of a different scent. I mean, obviously kiwi and fig has a different scent, slightly different scent, but they all smell really, really good. Even the apple one has like a different scent. It's just unfortunate like if you like have really dry hair but you love apple, I think you probably still can get away with that, but this one is definitely more for you, the honey and apricot one. So far it's actually been good. I have used it a couple of times and I do think that this is a shampoo that I will actually reach out for. So it smells nice and also moisturizing at the same time. I mean, what more can I ask for? I always love the Herbal Essence one. It's just unfortunate. I think most of their shampoo smells good, but all of them kind of dry my hair out a little bit. It feels almost like this, the kiwi and fig one. But this one though, it smells good and moisturizing at the same time. That is amazing. Like at least it doesn't dry out my hair. So I would continue using this, and I personally absolutely love the honey and apricot variant, and I highly recommend this for whoever that has more of a dry hair and wants something that is more moisturizing and nourishing for the hair. So yeah, I just want to give you an update, you know, so that at least it's more rounded rather than like, oh, I've just tried one and it's not good, but actually I've just been using the wrong shampoo all along. Hey, yeah, it happens sometimes. I thank God that I actually took the time to try the other variant out so that I can give you like more of a, I guess, more balanced review, not so much of a like biased review by just trying out this one particular product and don't like it. I actually quite recommend this brand. Like if you like Herbal Essence and you feel like Herbal Essence shampoo in general are just a little bit too drying for your hair, try this one out, specifically the honey and apricot one. They smell amazing yet still like moisturizes your hair pretty well. Like it doesn't strip off too much, it doesn't dry out your hair, it's not drying, and it feels good lah basically. Alright, plus I don't know if Herbal Essence actually has the pump one, because the last one that I had, I believe is in full size as well, but theirs they need to pump it out. I need to open up the cap and pump it out. Sorry, not pump it out, more like pour it out. This one comes in a pump, and I really absolutely appreciate pumps in general. So personally, I would select Hair Recipe over Herbal Essence because of the pump packaging and maybe just slightly less drying. However, the conditioner on the other hand, I actually really do enjoy. Even up to now, I actually still use it. So I use some other shampoo that is less drying one, but then I will come back and use this Hair Recipe conditioner, because even with just using this Hair Recipe conditioner itself, it actually will leave my hair smelling amazing for a couple of days. Yeah, it's crazy. It's amazing that even just by using a conditioner only, it can help you to feel like your hair smells good and fresh for the next few days if you don't feel like washing them. I don't want my hair to smell bad. I mean, yeah, who wants your hair to smell bad? It's always nice to smell good, right? And especially if you hug people or whatever, when they smell, most of the time they will smell your hair, because when they hug you, yeah, most of the time they will smell your hair. So you don't want your hair to smell bad in general, okay? It feels good enough for me to be able to moisturize and condition the bottom part of my hair without touching the scalp basically. So this is definitely not one that I would use it on my scalp. There are other conditioners that I use for that. There's more natural conditioner that I use for my scalp because I do have a little bit more of a sensitive scalp. I wonder if the liquid is the same color. Like, okay, so this is definitely more yellow. It's not just the bottle itself. Oh, the shampoo also foams up quite a lot, I would say. Like a regular shampoo, it really foams super easily. It foams up a lot as well. So if you like that a lot of foam kind of shampoo, this one will work for you as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!